Hi, hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Shay, and I make videos on productivity, lifestyle, and college tips. If any of those things interest you, subscribe down below right now. I've been home for the last few days, so I thought I'd make a video on my night routine, and a lot of you guys have actually been requesting and asking for that, so I thought, why not? It's currently 3:30, and I know that sounds early for a night routine, but it gets really dark here because I'm in New England and the sun sets around 4:30. So since the sun sets earlier, our nights kind of end earlier, which I don't really mind. So first thing I'm gonna do is walk Bentley, and it is literally like 15 degrees out. So the sooner I do that, the better, because I think it's gonna get like to 9 degrees tonight, and I really just don't wanna freeze my ass out there walking him. So like, it's not that cold out. My nose is just running and I can't feel my hands, but like, that's about it. So Bentley didn't go to the bathroom once while we were outside. So I'm just going to ask my mom if she can walk him later. I also want to organize my room because it is kind of a disaster right now. So I'm just gonna clean it up quickly. I just wanted to show you guys these new picture frames that I got. Look at this. It's so cute. It's just a cheetah design and it has gold speckles on it. This one was $7.99. And then the second frame that I got is just this gold one. The stand's really cute. And this one was $5.99. I got them both at Home Goods. And I printed out some pictures at Walgreens today because I thought I should probably add some photos in my room to make it look like I actually lived here. Okay, so my room's not that messy, but there's just a lot of little clutter. My old laptop's here. I just have jewelry out because I don't have like an earring holder. I just have this little box here. My AirPods that I have not opened yet. I don't know. I just need to clean off my nightstands. I just like, I don't know, I have a tendency to just leave stuff on here, and then I have that chair. You know that chair that I'm talking about, where you just throw your clothes on it and you don't even use it. Yeah. But we're going to tackle this together and make it pretty. So let's do it. Okay, hold up. Wait, I do not know how to get this out of here. Wait, what? I don't want to break it by accident. Wait, yo, what? It's like, what is that? What are those? Wait, oh, it has little instructions here on the back. Remove bumpers. Wait. Do you see it? It's this little thing here. Oh my gosh, now it's all gonna just fall apart. Wait, can I use like the other bumper to get this one out? Ow, this is... That fan you heard was my heater. Here I am waving around a knife, so I'm sorry that the audio probably sounded really bad, but I got a knife to get this thing out. Wait, okay, did it. That was a lot more difficult than it had to be. Also, it's getting darker, so I'm just gonna keep my light on because that sun is going down real quick, y'all. Y'all, this frame is giving me a lot of difficulties. I think I have to put these bumpers back in or something after, because it almost just fell off. Oh my gosh. I think you have to like pop them back in after. I was about to throw them out. Oh my goodness, it's a good thing I did it. This is kind of a weird design. So my review on these frames is probably like a 3 out of 10. The other one's great. The other one was really easy. I don't know what's going on with this one, but it came out cute. It's a picture of Bentley and I. And then the other one is just a picture of Ruth and I. So cute. Stay. All right, now I have to clean up all this all over again. Okay, so this corner of my room is just an absolute disaster. Here, let me show you. I just got this dresser probably about a month ago. Now I'm just throwing everything on top of it. Like I have, this candle's almost gone. This was actually over on the other side. I have this and I put all my my chargers, just so they know they're all there. And then over here in this corner, I just kind of like threw random stuff in here. And then this is where Bentley's bed is. He doesn't like the wire, but I want to organize that a little more. I feel like if I put a wicker basket there just to kind of mask it, I need to find homes for all of this right now. Guys, I hate how empty it is on this side compared to the other side, but I just don't have anything right now to fill in the space, but I'm slowly getting there. Okay, so now it's currently 4:45 and I'd say that's pretty good progress for today. It's really not. But now I'm going to go downstairs and see what my mom made for dinner. I think it's tortellini. Super excited. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so I just finished dinner and now I'm just gonna plan my week for classes and everything. And I got super motivated to start experimenting with some graphic designs and animated text and stuff. I might make my end card right now actually, so you guys will see that at the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments below. I'll show you a little bit of that process as I go. First, we need to make some chai. Things are kind of hurting my eyes. So I just finished planning for the week and I did any little assignments that I might have due tomorrow, which I think there was only one that I had to do and it was like an introduction thing for class and stuff. And now I'm gonna shower and then we're gonna go right into some skincare. Let's get to it. We back, we clean, we fresh. I actually washed my face in the shower with the Burt's Bees Acne Solutions Gel Cleanser. I do a lot of research into what products I use on my face just because I want to use stuff that's actually effective for my acne. As you can see, I have my whole skincare lined up here, literally in the order that I do it. I'm going to be using the Ordinary AHA and BH Peeling Solution. You probably see this everywhere, like on TikTok and all that. And guys, when you use this, it has a little dropper. Please, please, please do not put the dropper on your face because then you're going to transfer the bacteria from on your face into the actual container itself. So when you're using it, just put it on your fingertips. So I let this sit on for about 5 minutes, that's what the instructions say, and then you're supposed to wash it off with warm water. Literally guys, my face feels immediately so smooth after using this because I'm pretty sure it's an exfoliator. Next up, I use the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution and I just get a little cotton ball, you know how toner works. So then I just grabbed my Ordinary, guys, I never know how to pronounce this, niacinamide and zinc, and this basically gets rid of those little bumps and textures that you have on your skin. Look how glowy she is. Wow. My only complaint about this is that the next morning your face is pretty oily from it, and I know you can use it during the day, but that's the reason I don't, is because I don't want to look oily under all my makeup and everything. I just let it sit overnight so my skin can really absorb it. And lastly, I use my moisturizer, which is basically compared to Cetaphil, it's just a CVS version of it, same ingredients. And then the last thing I use is the Mario Badescu drying lotion, and I just put that on my problem areas.